So we are going deeper into this healing journey of learning about integrity in sexual and intimate relationship. We want to learn more about our ability to listen to all our centers together, the physical, the emotional, the mental, the spiritual. And we are using the ability to listen to the body as a gate to listening to our soul, to our free spirit, really free. So let's see, how do we feel in that moment in our body now? Let's look at that. Breathe into the body in the inhale, exhale outside of the body, and feeling that circle of breathing as a baseline of listening to the body. Allowing the jaw to be soft. Knowing that we are held by the earth, the ground is here, and we can feel that magnet of gravity between our body and the ground. Just imagining there is like lines of energy connecting the body with the ground. Just breathing into those lines softly in your pace. Remembering in that healing we are held. We are not alone. And now we can look at the body and see where in my body right now there is more energy. Which part of the body do I feel as more dominant in that moment? It can change, of course. And when I see that part, that area, let's focus on that area for a few moments and take a few breaths to that area. It will connect us more to the body. Inhale and exhale to a dominant part in the body. And now we can put a healing intention around our heart. You can say it in your heart, in your own words. And I'm putting an intention for us to become one with ourselves. To know who we are really, and to follow that knowledge. Knowing our yes, knowing our no, and following it. And after putting that intention, we let go of it and surrender to the process of the healing. we are noticing in our body different kind of sensations. We allow that to happen. Now let's breathe together a few breaths to our belly. Let's focus together in our belly, asking our subconscious to open and to show us a memory, an event from this life where I wanted to say no to a sexual touch of any kind, and I couldn't. I froze, I was afraid. The words didn't come to me. And I can suggest that if you have a very big trauma around this kind of sexual encounter, don't take the biggest one for tonight, for today. Take one that is a little bit smaller than the biggest one. So we allow the subconscious to open, bringing us this gift of a memory to heal. A memory where I wanted to say no to a sexual touch, and I couldn't. We allow the memory to come to us without an effort. It can be from any age. It doesn't have to be a sexual touch. It can be also just a touch that we wanted to say no. So you make your choice. Where do you go? And choose only one memory. Then it will be more easy to go deeper. And now we go into that memory. We allow ourselves not only to watch it, but to really experience it again in the body, allowing the emotions and sensations that I felt around those moments when I wanted to say no, but I couldn't. Allowing that to become conscious, to be experienced again for healing myself. Remember to breathe and try to see which part of the body now is more dominant when that memory is filling you. Where do you feel the energy? Go to that part of the body. Bring your attention to it. Be with it. Just be with it. There is a big chance that you feel not comfortable in those emotions and sensations. Allow that to happen. And if you feel it's too much for you, you can stop and just rest. And if you feel you can meet it, go deeper. Go deeper to feel more emotions, more sensations. Ask the subconscious to show you more of yourself and to feel the body when I wanted to say no and I couldn't. Allowing yourself to feel that maybe struggle, maybe pain, maybe disconnection. Disconnection is also a kind of a feeling. So if it comes, meet it in the body. Get to know it more. Softly. Allow yourself now to change a little bit the situation and to say, even loudly, to say the no that you wanted to say. You can say it verbally, you can say it with your body. Allow yourself to finish the movement that you couldn't in the original situation, and now it's possible. Say it or do it with the body and see how it feels to say the no that you wanted to say. Go away from me. Leave me alone. Allow yourself to have a sentence and say it out loud or in your heart as you like. And check out how does the body feels when I allow it to be expressed. What kind of emotions comes? What kind of sensations? Look at your breathing. And remember, the ground is supporting you. And now, after you said the no, we can go back to the moment that I wanted to say, but I couldn't. But now we want to help ourselves there. So we will join, as the adult we are, we will join ourselves there, whether it's a child, a teenager, a young woman, or an adult woman, so that we have two images of ourselves, the one that was there in the original situation and the one that is you today. Go be with her there. Hold her hand. Tell her words of love. Help her to integrate, to understand what happened to her there. Why couldn't she say what she felt? Help her to accept it. To accept herself. To accept all the emotions that comes. To accept the feelings in the body. And just hold her, love her, any way you want to. If it's possible for you, forgive her. for the lack of ability to be direct and express. If it's possible. If it's not, it's okay. It will come naturally soon. Slowly allow yourself to separate from her by integrating her into your body, into your heart, loving her as she is, allowing the image and the situation to close slowly, and taking a few moments just to rest in the now. Allowing the body and soul to integrate all the parts that you saw and felt. So now we are resting. Try to see if there is a part of the body that is calm, that is peaceful. And if it's possible for you, let's focus on that part so that it will be more easy to rest. Continue to breathe and slowly allow your body to get back to your room, to your full consciousness, your full awareness, opening your eyes slowly, moving the body if needed to stretch or stand up, whatever you feel you need. And if you want, I can recommend to take a few moments to write in your notebook, maybe some insights. If it comes naturally, you don't have to. If you want to. Thank you.